Hello everybody. So today I am going to do a swipe. So I haven't even picked colors, but I have a bunch of colors sitting here that I'm going to pick from. And some really pretty ones. I think I'm going to use black as my swipe color. And I'm going to use some phthalo blue too. But we're going to just do a random not exactly sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I think I'm going to just do a bunch of colors done together. So I'm going to go down. With this gorgeous red, which I will probably add more of. I want to bring some up under the swipe color too, because I like to see color coming through the swipe color. That's my personal preference. I like to see the cells coming through that at least. Now we're gonna do a little bit of orange. Let's see, do I want to do orange or do I want to do blue? I want to do blue. Then I'm going to do yellow, which is like a goldie. And I'm going to do the orange. This orange is from my pigments, which I love this color orange. And then I'm going to do let's get you out of the way. I need to move these out of the way or else they're gonna mess things up. I'm going to do this really deep orangey red. Okay. Going to make a really funky paint color, I know that. Now what we do is we put a color. Now I can either swipe this way if I want, because the paints are really covering each other. I'm going to make sure they're over. I'm going to move it around a bit to make sure, just so I make sure they're covering everything. Like there's no gaps in it. Like right here there's this little, the paints just didn't seem to want to come together there, so I'm going to make sure that goes, and then we want it to the edges, like I'm pretty sure that's going to go right over as I swipe, so think we've got everything covered here. I'm gonna go ahead and cover the sides really quick. Just in case the paint doesn't come down. I'm gonna have to stand up and kind of lean over here to see this side. But that side covered really well. And now I think I'm gonna put the black here. And that's the swiping color, which is the cell activator, which has the cell activator in it. So you don't need a lot. But I want it to go over the back side because I want it to cover the canvas. And then what I'm going to do is do one line here to bring it down and one line here, maybe one there, just to make sure the black goes down. But I'm going to have to turn it to swipe because I can't swipe sideways. I'll mess it up if I do that. Now where's my swiping sheet? Here it is. Now what you want, you make sure all of the black is touching. Just pull down ever so lightly. Oh! And I want to fix that, so I want to swipe here. And I'm going to get these little sides here. And just take that and get the paint off of there. I will use this paper towel to get the majority of the paint off my swipe sheet really quick. Okay. And look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Can you see this? Now I have not even torched. But I love how the colors came up through the black up here. This one is really groovy looking. Oh my gosh, like really groovy looking. Now I'm going to clean underneath it to make sure I don't have any paint sticking underneath. Like the cells just went over the edge and it looks so beautiful on the edge. I love how the black up here, let me bring you down close. Now, look at those colors. Isn't that just so groovy looking? I mean, the cells are just spectacular in this. I'm going to show you up high so you can see it all. There we go. Maybe if I turn it this way, I don't know if that will be better, but there we go. Isn't that so cool looking? But let me see if I can set you back up here now without ruining the There we go. Let me bring this up a little bit. There we go. It came out. I'm really pleased with how this came out. Oh, there's a hair in it. I'm so glad my finger stuck onto that. And that it was not in the finished piece. Oh my gosh, that would have not been good. You just clean underneath to make sure this does not keep pulling paint, because you do not want it to keep pulling paint, or else you'll wake up the next day and there will be this waterfall going off your thing somewhere. But this is spectacular. This is like, so it's like groovy, fallish kind of, like, it's just really beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm really pleased with how this one came out. I'm so excited about this. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing it. I will take a picture of it, and the picture you see at the front of the video will be this canvas when it's dry. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. God bless you and have an amazing day. Bye.